Hi, sweet Stampin' friends. This is Deborah Harrison with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. I wanted to share with you real quickly today the April Stamp Club projects. The projects focus on the Butterfly Brilliance collection, which is actually coming in the new annual catalog, which will launch in May. However, you can actually order this collection now. The main focus on the projects uses the really beautiful Butterfly Bijou designer series paper. Just these really beautiful collection of different prints and bold colors and stuff and subtle color. I just love these. I love this paper. Now, the paper pack actually has 48 sheets, 8 sheets of 6 different designs. And what I love about it is it coordinates beautifully with the dies that you can purchase separately. These it's Brilliant Wings dies. It's a really large collection of dies. It has the real intricate butterflies that you can use, but it also too has this really large die and then some little accent dies. Now to use this large die, you can actually line it up with either the stamped images in the Butterfly Brilliance stamp set when you stamp them, or you can line it up with this particular pattern print in the designer series paper. And just look how they line up. You can just run it through your Big Shot machine one time and be done with it and have several butterflies to work with. Also too, like I mentioned, the Butterfly Brilliance stamp set is available as part of the collection. Now, the projects for the April Stamp Club do not use that stamp set. Instead, I am using the Happy Thoughts stamp set for my sentiments. Now, for the projects, you will want to have a black ink pad. You will also too want to provide your adhesives and a set of sentiment stamps. Now, I highly recommend the Happy Thoughts, but you can use any sentiments that you have. Now, the cost of the project kit is $20 for local pickup or $25 if you need it mailed. Now, you can also too, really great deal, is get the project kit free with a minimum order of $25 or more in my online store. Just make sure you register and you follow the instructions on using the host code. There's a very specific host code for this project kit. If you would like your free project kit mailed, there is a $5 fee to cover the postage. If you just want to cut your own supplies and provide everything yourself, you can purchase the PDF in my PDF store. So guys, I am really excited to make one of these project kits for you. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Bye guys.